This is Rocket Stove 2021. Today we're going to experiment with trying to show you what we look at on the LEMS. Hopefully you're looking at the screen, which is showing you what we look at when we try to tune a stove. And so this is the jet flame. We've got the sticks going. So look everybody, this is smoke. And so when I started there I am, I'm still there everybody. When I started it, there was some bumps of smoke, and then because it's the jet flame, it's going pretty smooth. And I'll try after a while to see if I can make some bumps for you. And then let's go up to the oxygen. And so this is the excess air. And so we have 4 sensors in the LEMS showing us in 4 different spots what's happening with the oxygen. And so you can see that when we started out, we had okay, let's go up, Sam, ready, all the way to CO2. And so we had higher CO2, which meant that we were burning more wood. And then now we're kind of cruising down as the stove gets lit, and then we'll go a lot straighter. And so when you go down, Sam, to when we're burning less wood, we have more excess air. We're burning up less oxygen. But this is great because we're simultaneously recording all of this, and then we can look and see, well, hello again, hello. And so we can look and see what happened. There's too much excess air, whatever. Now the CO is started up really high, went off the screen, oh my gosh. And then as the fire got itself going, now we're cruising along with CO. And so then now we're going to go to temperature in the pot, Sam. And so you can see we started out at maybe 10 degrees centigrade, and we are going up towards boiling, which will be all the way at the top. Let's just review. Here we have CO2, which is when wood burns completely cleanly, it makes only CO2 and water. And so that's what we're aiming for. And then let's go to the temperature in the pot. That's great. We want to boil, as fast as we can, using the least amount of wood that we can. And so we're always balancing the CO2, which is a proxy for firepower, and the temperature in the pot. We are going down with the CO because we're getting hotter. And when we cover the fuel, the combustion chamber with flame, then we get less CO, and all the way down to excess air, the oxygen, the 4 sensors. And so the fire went up a little bit, and so now the excess air went down because we're using up the oxygen, and then down to PM 2.5, particulate matter 2.5. And so for those of you who love video games, buy a LEMS, because this is really the only way that we know, right Sam, what is going on. We do repetitive tests, we iterate variables to try to get the best performance that we can. We do the same test and we repeat that test. So I'm gonna Sam and I will be showing you more and be explaining various how things relate to each other. And but this is your introduction to real-time burning and trying to figure it out. What? Oh, fist bump. There you go, everybody. Have a good one.